Hey guys, Ray here with Infinity Personal Training. Today I want to talk to you about a common question we get asked from a lot of clients, and that is, what oils should you be using to cook with? Okay, so certain oils actually have a higher smoke point or heat point than others. What that means is they can't be heated to a certain level without basically turning into a trans fat. All right, so the oils that most people use nowadays are, well, the number one is olive oil. We get this asked all the time. Olive oil honestly should only be used for sauteing instead of frying. So if you're gonna fry things, you wanna look for oils like high quality, organic, preferably coconut oil. Red palm oil is a good one. If you tolerate dairy well, butter, like a full fat butter like Kerrygold, and things like ghee are also good options for high smoke points. Other ones, depending on the quality of them, things like sesame oil, peanut oil is another one, but I would lean more towards coconut oil, red palm oil, etc. The rest of them, like vegetable oil, you really want to stay away from. They're really pro-inflammatory. Things like soybean oil, I would just totally stay away from those things. So again, olive oil, just sauteing, high heat point, coconut oil, ghee, butter, red palm oil. Those would be the top four that I suggest. All right, hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next time.